Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we're exploring the fascinating and rapidly advancing field of robotics. Robotics involves the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. These machines are capable of carrying out complex tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously, transforming industries and everyday life. Robotics encompasses various subfields, including mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. At its core, robotics focuses on creating intelligent machines that can assist, augment, or replace human efforts in various environments. This includes designing robotic systems, developing control algorithms, and integrating sensors and actuators. The robotics workflow involves several stages: conceptual design, mechanical and electrical engineering, software development, and testing. Engineers use tools like CAD software to design robots, develop control systems to manage their operations, and program them to perform specific tasks. Testing and refining are crucial to ensure robots operate safely and effectively. Robotics has a transformative impact on various sectors. In manufacturing, industrial robots automate repetitive tasks, improving efficiency and precision. In healthcare, medical robots assist in surgeries, rehabilitation, and patient care, enhancing outcomes and safety. Service robots, such as vacuum cleaners and delivery robots, make daily tasks easier. Research robots explore extreme environments like space and deep oceans where human presence is challenging. Now, let's look at the future of robotics. The field is rapidly evolving, with several trends shaping its trajectory. One significant trend is the advancement of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies enable robots to learn from their environment, adapt to new situations, and perform increasingly complex tasks. AI-powered robots are becoming more autonomous and capable of sophisticated decision-making. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work alongside humans, enhancing productivity and safety. Cobots are equipped with advanced sensors and AI, allowing them to interact safely with humans and adapt to shared workspaces. These robots are transforming industries by enabling new levels of collaboration and efficiency. The development of soft robotics is another groundbreaking trend. Soft robots, made from flexible materials, can navigate through complex and delicate environments, making them ideal for medical and exploration applications. These robots mimic natural organisms, offering unique capabilities and expanding the possibilities of robotic applications. Robotics is also driving innovations in autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars, drones, and underwater vehicles are being developed to operate independently, improving transportation, logistics, and exploration. These autonomous systems are equipped with advanced sensors, navigation algorithms, and AI, enabling them to navigate complex environments safely. In summary, robotics is a dynamic and rapidly advancing field that is reshaping industries and our daily lives. Its applications are vast, and its future is promising, driven by advancements in AI, collaborative robotics, soft robotics, and autonomous systems. At Mehran Engineers Forum, we are dedicated to keeping you informed about the latest trends and developments in engineering and technology. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. See you next time.